Hi, my name's Jordan, and this is my demonstration video, so let's get into it. So, what I decided to do was try to show you guys how to make a YouTube video because I think it's kind of cool to know how to do it, and I've been doing it for a little bit, kind of, and I just wanted to see if everyone else liked it and if you maybe wanted to do it at one point. So, what I'm going to be talking about in this is how to record it and different ways to record the video or whatever you want to do. The next is editing the video, finding something to edit it or even just leaving it. And then finally is the uploading process. So, what I'm going to be doing now is switching over to the computer and showing you how to do that.
Alright, we're now on the computer here, and I know what you're thinking. This probably looks really weird, but that's pretty much what everything is gonna look like. So, what I use is a thing called OBS Studio, I think, and it's a free recording software that's easy to download, and you can just hit record right here, start and stop recording, and you're basically going. And then when you hit stop recording, it'll automatically save onto your computer, so you'll have to find it. So now we can get into actually recording it. So say you want to do something like a tier list video. Those are pretty popular, and I have one pulled up right here. So if I wanted to do a baseball team tier list right here, I would basically just go ahead and talk because it's already picking up what I'm seeing and recording with it started recording. So then I could just like do whatever and start the recording and talk. And then when I'm done, I just go and hit stop recording.
Alright, so now after you got the video recorded, what you want to do is go into some type of video editor or just something to make sure that the video you want is the video that you like. So yeah, I'm going to now show what the editing process of a video looks like, pretty much mine, but because I don't really do a whole lot with it, but I still do enough that I can show you guys what it's like.
Alright, so now we're back on the computer, and now I'm going to go over to the editing thing, and the DaVinci Resolve is this little icon right here, so I'm just going to click on it to open it, and this is what the beginning thing will look like, but to other people, it'll look completely blank because these are just other things I've done. So you can either click on the Untitled Project or New, it doesn't really matter. You can change the name of it. Alright, so this is what it looks like at first. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff going on right now. But first we're going to go to Media. And this is where you're going to actually put the video into the thing to start editing and doing all that. So then to put the video in, you'll just, in this little area, just right click, hit Import Media. So you want to go to Videos, and then this will usually be where all your videos are. And then the one I did, at least for me, they have the date on them, which is usually pretty good. So the video is this one right here. Just hit don't change when it will show that. And then now I have the video, so you go to cut. You want to put the clip in right here. And now you have it right here and the video right here, and you can hit play, and it'll play the video. And for the majority of things I do, I will usually just cut the video. So you want to go to hit this split clips and it'll automatically do it. So say I want to cut the beginning part where I'm just like talking and getting it set up. If I want to go right around where I started it, I'll just go say right here, hit split right here, and then you can click on that and hit the delete button. So onto the actual part, the editing. Once again, this looks kind of intimidating, but it's really not that bad. This is your little timeline thing. So on other video editors, there will usually be like little effects that you can use for free, but there's also usually just some that you can download. There's titles you can do, so if you want to put in text, say I wanted to have like right lower text, I just put it in right here and then it's right there. And then if I wanted to change it, I would just click on it and then delete it and then type something just like MLB teams. Then I would just be done with that. Yeah, that's about it for editing, really.
Alright, now that you have the video all edited and ready, it is finally time to upload it, export it, save it, whatever you gotta do to put it on YouTube. So, what you wanna do usually is to either export it, which is just like saving it for YouTube, or rendering it. And I'm gonna show you what you have to do for that, since for the video that I'm doing, I have to render it so it'll actually work on YouTube and be posted.
Alright, so here we're back on the video editor. So for this, when you want to render the video for YouTube, you would go to this little YouTube thing right here, click on it. You can just choose the file name if you want. Now format is the important part. You want to make sure it's MP4, which is like the good type, I guess, for YouTube. Then add the render queue. It's going to pop up right here to just save it in your video section of your computer. Then it's going to be right here, and then when you hit start render is when it's going to finally start rendering. Alright, now that we're back, as you can see it says completed right here, so now we're on to the final part, which is uploading the video. So you want to go over to Google and go to YouTube, and then when you go to YouTube you want to click on your profile picture at the top, click on your channel, and it'll just take you to this little screen. It'll show videos if you've already uploaded some, but what you want to go to now is manage videos. Alright, so then when you're here on this screen, you want to go to create, upload videos, then you want to hit select file and look for the file where your video is. So now this will be what your YouTube video title is. So I'm going to do is I'm going to rename it to MLB tier list. Whoops, if I could spell. Tier list. This is the description of the video, which you don't really have to do, but it's optional. And then as you can see right here, actually, it's already uploading as you can go through some of the steps. Then this part, if you want to have it private, where only I can choose who can watch my videos, I can unlist it so you can only watch it with a link, or public, which is what you want to do pretty much. So then it's open for anyone to see. Now, if you want to do set as premiere, you can set a certain time for when it will like automatically upload, which can be good, but I don't really care. Same for a schedule, you can it'll show what time and day it's going to be posted. And then you want to hit publish right here in the bottom right. And it'll take a little bit to load, and then as this is loading right here, once it gets to 100, it'll just say done. And then when it's completely done, you can hit close.
So that's basically how you make a YouTube video. I went over how to record it, how to edit, how to upload and finish it. And now with this new knowledge, maybe people who are interested in doing this now know how to do it. And I hope that I helped you if you could. And I just hope that you enjoyed. And that's really about it.